Hi, this is Sage, the Balloon Sage, and today you're in for a treat because we're going to make the easiest balloon garland ever using dollar store supplies. All you need are 38 12-inch round balloons, a pump, a pair of scissors, and some curling ribbon. Get ready to wow your party guests with this professional-looking balloon decoration that costs less than $10. Let's start by inflating a 12-inch round balloon. 12 pumps.
Next, tie it high up on the nozzle neck. Repeat these steps with a second balloon.
This garland looks best when the balloons are nice and round. Now, tie the two nozzles together. Creating a linked pair. An electric pump can make your job so much easier, and you can even use a balloon sizer if you want exact proportions. Although you can make this garland as long as you like, you'll want to assemble at least 19 pairs.
Unspool a long length of curling ribbon. And tie it tightly around the center of your first pair.
Align your second pair against the first, as if you were forming an X shape. Then secure it in place by winding the ribbon around the center. You don't want the spacing between pairs to be too close or too far. You want to find that Goldilocks zone where it's just right.
Continue adding pairs along the ribbon as demonstrated.
It looks like we've come to the end of our ribbon, but that's okay, because we just simply tie it off and snip off the extra. Let's unspool a new piece of curling ribbon. And tie it on the same way you did before. Here it is, our beautiful completed balloon garland. 19 pairs strung together. Hanging your garland is easy as pie. All you need are a pair of nails, evenly spaced and at the same height, or a couple of those plastic hooks with the adhesive backs that you can remove later. Thank you so much for joining me on this easy dollar store balloon decoration tutorial. Please like this video, subscribe, and get ready for a whole lot more on the way.